Hi, this is Christina Hills, and in this video I want to show you how you would set the background for the Sydney theme. So I am going to come in here and I want to set the background. So I'm going to walk you through the steps. Now, to get to the background, a shortcut is to come to Appearance Background. That will show you exactly where in the customizer it is set, because sometimes it's a little hard to find. So we are in General Background Image, and I'm going to select an image, and I'm going to select this as the background. And I'll click Publish, and notice when I do this, it's covering everything. And that's not really what we want. Let's look at the outside. Yeah, you can't read the text. So I'm going to show you where to go to adjust that. So here we can't read the text. So I'm using tabbed browsing. So I want to come over to Pages and I want to box it. Then this way it is now boxed in here. And there's stretched, there's narrow, and then there's normal. And I think normal looks the best. So this is stretched. When I switch it to normal, let me click Publish and click on refresh. So now it is normal. If I went to stretched, and I'll click Publish, and now it's stretched out. So I'm liking the way it looks better as normal, but the purpose of the video is if you want the background just in the background and not over your text, you want to click Boxed. Unboxed will look like that, and it depends upon what kind of background you have, but this is a very busy background, so we definitely want it boxed. And you can decide you don't want the sidebar on your pages, but I think we'll just leave that sidebar on for now, and here's how you would switch the position, and most people are used to the right sidebar, and I'm going to click Publish. Now let me do one more thing, because your blog, you can decide to have it not be boxed. So let's come in here and come over to the blog. We'll come to Single Posts, and we want the boxed layout. So this is the same look. And there's a few other things that you can change, but this is basically the same look. So I will click Publish. And now when I click on the blog, I'll want to do, so I did it for the single post. See, the single post is boxed. I want to also do that for blog archives. Let's find it. So it should be here in blog archives. So the blog archives is how the whole blog looks when you're looking on the outside. And I'm not seeing it in here. This is just the layout. We'll leave the standard one. So this might be something that the theme company needs to change, because I'm not seeing it in here. It's possible it's located in another place. So you want to think about it when you put up a background with the Sydney theme. So this looks good on these different pages. The blog is not looking right, so have to contact the theme company, but when you go to a specific post, it does look correct. And sometimes these things happen where things don't work the way you want them to, and it's possible you have to find another place to make those changes, or you just have to contact the theme company. This is Christina Hills from the website Creation Workshop.